If your Authenticator app isn't showing the code, it could be due to a few reasons. First, check your phone's notifications. For both Android and iPhone, go to Settings, then Notifications, find the Authenticator app, and make sure notifications are enabled. Also, make sure Do Not Disturb mode is off, as it may block prompts. Next, try a quick reboot of your phone. Restarting clears out any glitches or frozen background processes that may be affecting the app. Also, check for updates both for the app and your phone's operating system. A simple update can fix bugs that are preventing codes from displaying. Ensure that your device has internet access if your sign-in method requires it. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or disabling airplane mode if it's on. For some login systems, location access is needed. Go to Settings, then Location, and set the Authenticator app's permission to Always Allow on both Android and iOS. If you're using a VPN, it could interfere with location or IP-sensitive logins. Try disabling the VPN temporarily and then relaunch the app to see if codes reappear.